I kept 3 of them. Which I promised myself for next litter I'm not keeping any of the babies. Because I love these guys. See you guys, chew and a clown. Go on, honey, do your dust bath. I bet you guys Sweetie's over 1,000 grams right now. She'd be a big girl. Sweetie, why won't she do a dust bath? It's very strange. Thank you so much, number 11, for the finger heart and for all the gifts. I really appreciate it. She's posing again. Sweetie. See why everybody wants Sweeties, babies? Last time I had a litter, everybody wanted them, and I ended up keeping half of them.